आज के दिन की शुरुआत कुछ यूँ होने वाली है कि हम एक मोटिव को फॉलो करते हैं एवरी टाइम, दैट इज़ डिसीजन, डिसिप्लिन एंड टारगेट्स। ये तीनों ही चीज़ एक दूसरे के लिए बहुत ही एसेंशियल है। एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू चेक फ्यू मेल्स and also revert to certain mails which we have received since it was a Christmas weekend. So now we are going to restart each and everything again. We'll also have to go through certain research papers for our formulation. As you can see, the to-do list is very important. Whenever I start my work, I make sure that I do a to-do list thing, and with certain deadlines, of course, which I require to be done. The things need to be done. What will be the deadline, so that it stays in my mind कि okay, I will have to do this much thing. आज कुछ सैम्पल्स भी हमारे पास रिसीव हुए थे जिसके हमको क्वालिटी कंट्रोल चेक भी करना था। एंड इसलिए एक टू डू लिस्ट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। मैं सभी एस्पायरिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए यही कहना चाहूँगी कि आप कोई भी काम करें, कोई भी काम की शुरुआत करें, आप ऑलवेज़ मेक श्योर करें कि यू हैव अ सर्टेन टू डू लिस्ट टू बी फॉलोड विथ योर डेडलाइंस, or there should be goals or mini goals in which you would be able to accommodate your task accordingly. So now you can see that I have received certain samples and I'm just going for the quality check of certain samples. Since we have already provided third party manufacturing to our latest design, so I would be going through certain adequate details so that I can again launch all the products on website with certain sort of description. Again मैंने थोड़ी lighting की so that I can be able to judge what exactly I need to be done. So ये बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें which matters a lot. Like today I'm just working from home, and it is very important for me to make sure that whatever we are going to supply is giving you the best thing at right price.